Hello everyone and welcome to my new video. Today a bit different one, but I really wanted to show you how my Lexus looks after the car detailing last week. It was cleaned, polished and added a protection layer by Carshine Factory here in East Switzerland. I don't get paid for that advertisement, but I'm seriously impressed by what they have done to that car, so I can honestly recommend them. That Lexus is 10 years old, but right now it looks like brand new. It's all shining and finally I can see its original pearl color. It stands right now on winter wheels, soon I'm going to replace it with the summer ones, so I think it will look even better. The reason why I decided to do the detailing is that soon it's going to be a wedding car for my sister's wedding, so I really wanted it to present correctly, and as you can see, guys did a really good job with that. I will leave you the link to the Carshine Factory in the description, and in the meantime, if you like my videos, please press the like button and subscribe. That will really help me to grow the channel and make more videos for you. They cleaned the car inside as well. The interior was already a bit destroyed and used by all those years, but here they did a great job too. Everything is much fresher, the leather looks way better, the center console and carpets as well. It even smells as new. I really regret that I didn't record a similar video before detailing to show you it for comparison, because the difference is quite big, both outside and inside. I didn't really expect a 10 years old car to look as it looks now.